Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing quarterback for the Los Angeles Chargers, Justin Herbert. Justin Herbert played for the Oregon Ducks in college and became a starter for the Los Angeles Chargers only his second game as a rookie after the quarterback Tyrod Taylor got injured. So he's been thrown into the starting position quite early as a football player and has proven himself quite a success in the NFL. So let's draw Justin Herbert today. Alright, so let's find the middle of our paper. In the middle of our paper, and we're going to draw Justin Herbert's face up top right here. So got our black marker, got the point right there, and here we go. We're going to do kind of a square jaw down to a point and up. So this kind of pointed chin area. We'll do a ear and an ear, and let's do the neck right away. Go down, do a dot, and that's where we're going to come to a point. So I kind of missed it there. Okay, so the neck goes down to the point. Let's do the shoulder pads. One shoulder pad, two shoulder pad. And the sleeves that go down, down. Now let's draw the waist, okay? We'll actually draw the shoulder pads going in, down to the waist, and connect. Okay, so we have the torso of Justin Herbert drawn in, and we're gonna do a football over here. He's the quarterback, so he's gonna be holding this large, oversized football, if I can get that shape correct. And then the fingers, let's do circles for fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the thumb right there, okay? And then we'll do an elbow into the football, kind of this angle, and then bicep into that football. All right. So next, let's do this other hand over here. We'll do a short bicep. The bicep is the top part of your arm, like the muscle. And then down to the elbow. And up. The wrist. Connect that wrist to the elbow. Here we go. Okay. Now let's draw the hand. There's a thumb. Finger 1, 2, 3, 4, go down to the wrist. Now I left this line because Justin Herbert wears this white wristband on his arm, so I'll make another line right there for that wristband, armband, whatever you want to call it. Now let's draw the pants, the legs. We draw for our cartoons, small legs, so we got these 1, 2, a couple of sticks down here for socks. Okay, now we're going to draw these big oversized clown shoes like we do on all of our sports characters, just to give them a fun cartoon look. We don't take our drawings too seriously, we like to have fun, keep them a cartoon feel. So there's the tongue of the shoe, the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 for the laces. 1, 2, 3 for the shoelaces. Now this guy, we're going to come out and up and down. Straight across. Connect this area up to the ankle. And let's do the same over here for this shoe. Down. Come straight across. And go further. Up. And connected. Alright, and we do these bumps for the cleats. So our football players all have cleats for traction in the grass, right? Another thing about Justin Herbert that I learned was he actually set records for rookies, quarterbacks. He set the record for the most touchdown passes as a rookie and the most 300-yard games passed as a rookie. So that's pretty cool. He's been an immediate success. All right, so we have the shoes, the pants, the shirt, jersey, and let's kind of outline his eyes. So right here across from the ears, let's do an eye. We're gonna do, he has kind of smaller eyes. So there's one line. Instead of drawing big circles for eyes like we sometimes do, I thought, you know, looking at Justin Herbert's pictures, he kind of has these smaller eyes, so we'll do that to see if we can make it look like Justin Herbert more. Okay. And we're going to leave these parts white, that circle and that circle white. Draw a little black in there for the pupil. And then we will draw eyebrows. We're going to draw the hair in brown right now. So let's get a kind of a light brown marker. Let's see here. This should work. I'm going to do a light, kind of this pointed, and it's kind of a light brown / tan. We're going to start here at the ear and go up, down, connect to this ear. So watch, here we go. Go up, down, and connect. Okay? Then up, down, and connect. So some of the pictures I was looking at of Justin Herbert, he wears this kind of headband looking thing in his hair, and we'll do that right now. We'll color this black line, this mini kind of rubber band looking thing he wears in his hair to keep his long hair pulled back. You can color that in black, just so we know where it is. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it's kind of this rubber band, thin rubber band that slicks his hair back. And then we'll get the light brown again. Start at the top here. Go down. Kind of these swoop back, down into his chin. Over, do the same thing. Out, out, down, into his chin. So he's got this long hair that's kind of slicked back. We'll draw some lines that go up. Maybe another line shows his hair kind of. We'll color this in on our fast forward, but I just wanted to throw a couple lines in there. Okay. Now, here we go. We're going to do a fast forward now. We're going to color flesh color. We'll do some dots for whiskers because he wears this scruffy beard. We'll do brown football. We're going to do an actual light baby blue jersey, number 10, for lightning bolts. We're going to do bright yellow pants, white cleats, and we should be good. So thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Justin Herbert of the Los Angeles Chargers. Fast forward now.